Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to deploy our website in GitHub. First, here we will see the project that we are going to develop and deploy in GitHub, and then we are going to follow the steps to push our website on GitHub. If you can see, based on the player or user, the color is getting changed. If we get the winner, then the color will change. So I've already created a video on this project, so you can watch that video. And in the video, we have not specified this functionality, means color change functionality in that video. So if you need that, you can just check out my GitHub profile, means GitHub project. Next, we are going to create a GitHub repository. I've already created here. You just need to follow the steps. Login into GitHub account, then click on this new button. Here you will get this. Here you have to give a name, your repository name. If you need to add readme file, gitignore file, then you can simply click on it and click on create repository. After that, you will see this type of window. To deploy React project in GitHub, we need to first configure React configuration, then we will write this command. First, I will open Visual Studio, then new projects, file open folder. Here we need to write home. It show just copy paste. Copy this one and paste it here. Replace the repository link. Next, we need to step 2 to install save GH pages. Before that, we need to configure, means we need to install means we in this folder we have used TypeScript, so we need to install TypeScript node packages. Sorry. First, we will check the TypeScript version, npm list g list hyphen g space and TypeScript. TypeScript. Enter. Our version is 4.8.4. I will copy this one, paste it here. Scroll, hide this one. We need to change the versions from that Google Drive. 4.8.4. That's it. Save them. Okay. Install this. This is the additional step. If you are using TypeScript, then you need to follow these steps. Or if you're not using TypeScript, then you can simply just install our this save gh packages. Next is npm install npm install. Just wait minutes. Remove rf node modules. Remove package.json. Okay. Next is npm install. So we need to npm install or is npm install to fix. Next, if there is some configuration issue or your path is long, then you will get this span ename tooling. I've already get this issue, so I have highlighted this. So what to fix this issue, we need to install this one npm install node.jk. Sorry. After this, we will add this one and then we will install our node packages. Okay, so I will add it here. In script, we need to add few. So node. Now we will install GH pages. That's what first. So now we'll install GS pages. So when you try to install means this node JQ latest, at that time it is possible that you will get some error that this cat file is not ready to publish or there is some error in this. You can check it here. Just I will make it larger. Here they mention that we have not added this file, but the issue is you can see it here. Updating file failed. Does not have a commit checked. This issue we get. So to fix that, we need to first install means uh, create a gitignore file. Right now, I've not get that error, but previously when I've tried to install, I get this error. So I mention it here. I will create one gitignore file. Get dot get ignore gitignore. Here I will just copy this. That's it. Gitignore file is a file which ignore the to push this file on a GitHub. If you can see this project, yeah, let's duplicate it. If you can see this file, here you can see that we don't have node module file. We have one gitignore file. In this, we have mentioned node modules and cat file. So this file not will get pushed in GitHub. Next one is this. We have done it. Save it. I'll fail to save. Okay. Just try to install it. If we get sample, then we will click start. I will save this file. Now we will initialize the project. Let's follow the steps. Get in it. Get in it. Initialize empty Git repository in this. Next is git add dot. Using dot, you can add all the file. If you want to add a single file, then you can just specify the file name. Next, we have added this. Next is we need to commit this one. So before committing, we should check the status. So our file is now ready to commit. Git commit -m, then give a message. Version 1. Enter. Next is git branch m main. This you can get it from when you create your repository first. You can take a screenshot of this, or you can save it somewhere else. Get remote add. Next, we need to give our repository name. Copy this one, paste it here. Enter. Now let's check our file is uploaded here or not. Just refresh it. So our file is get uploaded here. Next is gonna run. So there is one more point. If you want to make any changes, so suppose you have made a changes in package.json package.json or HTML file, then you need to follow these steps again. This is the steps. Just a minute. I will add it here. You can check it this. You need to follow the steps again. Whenever you make any changes in your file, then you need to add that file, check a status, and commit that file. And rerun the deploy. That's it. Now I will write npm run deploy. Hopefully, we will not get some errors. So deploy it. So I will try it. It's done. So there is some error. You are tempted to import tic-tac-toe file which outside of the project source directory. Relative import outside of source are not supported. You can either found modular. Next is sorry, the error which we have get previous uh, that we have not given a clear path. You can't see. Yeah, you can see it here. Module not found error. You are tempted to import tic-tac-toe, which fall outside of the project source directory. Relative imports outside of source are not supported. So first, what I have done, this two file is outside of the source file, so I've kept it inside the folder. Next, I've changed the path here. You can check it. Changed the path here as well as here. After that, I have written a git command, git add status, and git commit. These are the three steps which we follow usually when we make changes in our file. Next is npm run deploy. So let's check our website is working or not. So to create a git pages, we need to go setting, pages. Here JH pages is already selected. Let's click on this. If you can see now that we are getting a blank page here. And if you can see the arrow, this is the arrow when we are exporting our means we are hosting a website or projects on a GitHub first step. So if you can see that the link here and in the package.json file which I have given is different. Here is also a mention. Can change. When I created the first step, the website, I have done this mistake that I have pasted the repository link, but we need to paste the our GitHub Pages link. You can see it here. They here also they are mentioned that we need to paste our GitHub Pages link, not GitHub repository link. Just make a changes of that. Whereas copy it from here and paste it there. And this file I will make a changes. Same step we will follow it again. Git add, enter, git git add, then git commit. Now we know we can directly commit it. M and version 4. You need to give a message here. Next is git push, git push, git push, git push. Working. Next is npm run deploy. So it's published. Just a minute. Developer project. This one. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. It will pop card. Just wait for 2-3 minutes after I get my water. HTML build version 3. So just run. Let me check the pages. Yeah. So you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The things get updated and you can check it here. So when you try to push the website on GitHub, you may face some issue. You can refer the doc file which I have created and it will be easy. If you get some error, then you can simply RND that. It's here I have get the error. This is a new error which I have get while creating this. So you can just simply R&D on this why we are getting this error. Or you can read it, you get to know that some means we have missed the file or path is incorrect. Then you can change the path. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.